Now we are in delicatessen store in Skólavörðustíg. Same street you can see Hallgrímskirkja, and it's not far away from Laugavegur. Here we have lots of things like cured lamb, smoked wild goose breast, goose liver, and we have also ham. We have salami, lots of cheese. We have also a few kinds of oils from France. Then in lunch we have fish of the day, soup, salad and things like that. And everything is organic. Our famous wild game in goose and the goose liver tastes very good here. And most of the French people which have tasted it like it very much, so we are very happy with that. People come here also to pick up some good things for picnic, like goose liver, cheese, baguette, olives, and things like that. In the lunch you can pick up fish of the day, 2 kinds of soup, salad, baguette for a takeaway. Then we have also lots of jam, which are made in south and west coast of Iceland, straight from the farmers.
Firstly, I come here because the food is excellent. It's a hidden gem in Reykjavik. Always different soups every day, fresh fish, and the atmosphere is nice, the people are friendly, and the smell of cheese is just, I love it.